বাংলাদেশ বেতার রাজশাহী। কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে শুনতে পাবেন ইংরেজিতে স্থানীয় সংবাদ।
Assalamu alaikum. 6:05 p.m. This is Bangladesh Betar Rajshahi, broadcasting on the evening of Friday, the 4th of Boishakh, the 28th of Shawwal, and April the 17th. The news read by Alamin Islam Imon. 14 more patients with measles symptoms have been admitted to Rajshahi Medical College Hospital in the last 24 hours. The total number of patients under treatment now stands at 135. Hospital spokesperson Dr. Shankar K. Bishwas said 24 patients were released in the same period after recovery. So far this season, 51 children have died with measles symptoms. Among them, around 65 to 70% are from Chapai-Nawabganj district. In total, 627 patients have received treatment with measles symptoms. Construction work of a new 6-story building of the 127-year-old historic Mirir Chowk Jame Mosque in Rajshahi city has been inaugurated. The program was held today on mosque premises organized by the Mosque Committee. Land Minister Mizanur Rahman Minu attended the program as chief guest. Rajshahi City Corporation Administrator Mahfuzur Rahman Riton and Rajshahi Jela Porishod Administrator Bir Muktijoddha Advocate Ershad Ali Isha were present at the event. Speaker assured full support of the construction work and described it as an important initiative for the local Muslim community. The construction formally began through prayers and monajat. Vice-Chancellor of Naga University, Professor Dr. Hassanat Ali, is leaving for South Korea today on a 4-day visit. University Registrar Dr. Muhammad Alauddin confirmed this in a press release. He said the Vice-Chancellor will attend an education conference in Seoul and exchange views on advanced research in education. During the visit, he will also tour several universities and research institutions, including Seoul International University. Bogura Police Line Schools and College has organized a farewell reception for the SSC 2026 batch students. The program was organized today to inspire and encourage students at this important stage of their academic life. Police Superintendent of Bogura and President of the governing body, Mirza Saim Mahmood, attended as the chief guest. He wished the students success and advised them to take their exams with confidence and focus. He also highlighted the importance of honesty, hard work, and discipline in life. Pile driving work for a 6-story student dormitory at Pabna Government Edward College has officially started. Jila Porishad Administrator Bir Muktijoddha Johrul Islam Bishu attended as the chief guest at the program. College Principal Professor Lutfur Rahman and other officials were present. The dormitory is being constructed at a cost of around 4 crore taka. It is being implemented under the management of Al-Haj Ahed Ali Bishas Welfare Trust with funding from Qatar Charity through the initiative of Members of Parliament Advocate Shamsur Rahman Shimul Bishas. Police have arrested 13 rovers along with a truck and 350 stolen batteries in connection with a robbery at a power plant under construction in Bonpara of Nator. Police Superintendent Mohammad Abdul Wahab shared this information at a press briefing today. He said the robbery took place on the night of March 26 when the rovers held night guards hostage at gunpoint and loaded goods worth around 2 crore taka. After filing the case, multiple police teams launched operations. During the drive, the rovers were arrested from a forest area at Sripur in Gazipur. Police also recovered the stolen batteries and the truck worth about 1 crore 13 lakh taka. A program to distribute seeds and fertilizer for summer crop production has been inaugurated at Gomastapur in Chapai-Nawabganj. Seeds of mung bean, sesame, jute and aoush rice along with chemical fertilizers are being distributed under this program. Upojala Nirbahi Officer Zakir Munshi inaugurated the program as the chief guest at Upojala Porishad premises. This season, a total of 6,270 marginal farmers from 8 union and Rohanpur municipality will receive this agricultural support. Among them, 6,000 farmers will get high-yielding rice seeds 1,070 will get mung bean seeds, 70 will get sesame seeds, and 30 will get jute seeds. The program was chaired by Upazila Agriculture Officer Saklain Hossain. Finally, weather. The highest temperature in Rajshahi was 36.8 degrees Celsius and the lowest temperature was 25.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 46% at 3 p.m. today. Sunset in Rajshahi and adjacent areas today will be at 6:28 p.m. And that's the end of the news. Our next bulletin will be at 7 p.m. in Bangla.